Oh, is that a snake? Oh, it's just a bit of grass. Going up. Very nice views from up here. I think that's where we're going to head on Sunday. I forgot what it was called. That sun is going to be very blinding on the way back. It's not a really good time of night to be out riding. Seems like we're following the ridge along. I think we might be coming off the other side of this hill. That's okay. What exploring is all about, eh? Getting lost. But what goes up must come down. Should be right. Looks like we're getting down to flatter ground. It's getting very dark as we by the minute. Big stick. Oh, looks like we're on the edge now. Why is every bloody sign around here has been busted? So that was Ridge Track. That was the whole track, I guess. Gloves, they're not touchscreen. Oh, this is Falkers Creek Road. Yeah, it would be that way. Is it? That would probably be more fun, wouldn't it? Don't know, do you reckon we should do that? It's getting late. It's starting to get dark. Alright, let's ignore the GPS and we'll go up there. This is really getting to be skippy-roo time. Oh, look at that. There goes a heap there, Chris. Running across there. Oh, watch where you're going. There's a big mob of them straight up. See them going up the fence line? Oh, how nice is it in here? It's cooling down.
You hit all those cool pockets.
Don't want to be... Oh, watch out for that stick.
Oh, shit. Oh, jumping over the fence. Oh, sweat out, man. There's heaps of them. Jumping over the fence. Oh, there's fucking shit, man. Yeah. And they jump over the fence, the dumbasses. Oh, did he? They fucking neck themselves here. Oh, he went straight through the fence. Oh, there we go. Boing. Skippy chasing.
I suppose they go out in the paddocks at night, don't they, and just graze. We're going against all the things we said should never do. Don't ride at night. It doesn't look very high from here, but it's not a bad view when you get up there. Oh, well, we better head back. Watch out for the skipperoos.